Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Bitcoin Analytica. This is your host, Joe Saz, and today we are running an emergency Bitcoin price action stream and probably actually going to catch some live trades as well. Um, Everyone, if you haven't already, be sure to go to sazanalytica.com and join the Discord channel. And yeah, all right, we'll get to all that shit in a little bit. All right, so for now, let's talk about the action that we're dealing with here. Where we made a slightly higher high, not a yearly high, but you can see where the signals have been consistent. And where we sit now, we're at the top end of a range where signals have been consistent. In fact, we're even a little bit higher than that. We have gold mine signals running us through. We have a fat wall at 36,000 flat, 35,900 on the way to get there. A stiff 35,400 wall leading the top end of the book buy side. So we definitely have some energy pushing into this. Cooked RSI neutralizing while we go up. A bit of a divergence there. um, so, all right, how's the books looking? Cost, Leon, good to see you. Good to see you both. The book is looking pretty illiquid on the buy side. We definitely just ran pretty far, pretty fast from the low end with no signals, by the way. No signals down here. 34.5 to 35.4. So we've gone basically 1100 bucks to the upside. Um, and from 34.5 right here, you can see the book is pretty illiquid. A couple stacks along the way, but the competition to buy, as we were talking yesterday, basically went off, and that's what we're dealing with right now. A little bit of a low liquidity sweep on the way back down if sellers want to make it happen. But buyers are up against a couple of stiff walls, 300, 200, 143, 92, and 112. That's their uh, um, that's their resistance on the way up. So I have taken a very small short. Um, right now, I'm gonna add to this a little bit over time. I want to see this thing, see how this looks for another few minutes, but I'm gonna be probably respecting these short signals, and we'll take a look at that as we move along. Yo, what's up, Bitcoin motorist? And costs. I don't like the RSI. Did you catch the move up today? It came out of nowhere. Um, and there's a Fabian signal going by, and let's see here. It's at about just above break even. So let's see how that turns out. All right, it's nothing to worry about with CME gaps. All right, so back to Bitcoin on the daily. Um, RSI still a bit high, going slightly up while RSI is neutralizing. So, yeah, I think I'm not seeing any bearishness. It's not, doesn't really mean anything yet. The Cost Ape says, I don't like the RSI. Did you watch the move today? It came out of nowhere. No, I didn't watch it. I was actually asleep, and then I started getting texts. So I came live like an emergency stream, but kind of late, a little late for sure. I'm actually still kind of tired. But anyways, what's virtual camera, huh? So, yeah, gonna be taking some of this action. It looks like buyers have stalled out. Sellers aren't getting too active yet. And I'll kind of be hanging out right now. If you guys have anything you want to bring up, don't hesitate to ask any questions and say anything you got to say, curious about, comment about. All right. Just checking some other shit. Mm-hmm. Okay. Just check some Twitter shit, see what people are saying. I'm not seeing anything really lighting up on Twitter right now. Oh shit, whoops, wrong button. Um, I'm only seeing war shit right now. And women acting like hoes. Couple random other things. Nothing to do with price action, man. Uh, uh, and some funny jokes. Alright, well, where are all the freaking chart spammers? I guess I talk too much shit in other communities now. Oh, oops. Okay, well, that's Leonhard. You mentioned Max Payne is up. When so think people will come into FOMO and market buy? Yeah, I still think it is. It is until those people at 17 with sub 20K buying fantasies uh, are in the market. Once those people with sub K 20K sub 20K Bitcoin price fantasies, once they're in the market, Max Payne is down. And there's a lot of them out there. A lot of them. Might be taking a little bit more. Want to kind of keep it up a little higher than I entered. I have a long open from 34.8, but also a short to hedge. Um, not financial advice, but do you have a take profit strategy? You know, you get to a point like this, it's a pretty good run. Do you have any like sort of take profit, 50%, 25%? Just curious. All right, so we're gonna pay attention to this for a little bit. Oh wow. 3.17 sold, 3.17 bought. It seems like we're stalling out. Nice. This actually might be a good time for me to add to my short a little bit. And do another. Each contract is $25. Looking at the order book here, 2 stacks. All right, take a little bit of that action. Move my average entry up a little bit. Fair fight. One on one, two on one, two on one. Yeah, this is a good fair level. All right. 2.1. Yes, day maker. What do you mean day maker? Sound like a vampire hunter or something. All right, let's see here. We're sitting above the previous yearly highs. I think this is actually pretty bullish. Yearly high, and we're sitting above that now. This is a kind of behavior that can propagate repeated yearly highs, in fact. Yeah, so I'm interested. I think this is I'm sold. I think this is bullish. All right, let's see what we can do here. Pretty wide dual band confluence, by the way. Aggregated spot markets are bid dominant, pretty heavy, despite the fact that we have such a fat wall on top of the book right now. Um, we have bids pretty strong as well in aggregated perp markets. Things are looking pretty decent here. Pushing up against the 35,600 wall, um, and it was held high end of 35 4. Let's drop this aggregation a bit. A lot of action at the top of the book for the buyers too. This is really good actually. Good for them. Oh yeah, wasn't there a TD sequential 9 sell? One sec, guys. Need to make a quick phone call. All right. Um, Fabian notes that a 4-hour long signal has opened. Check the free Discord channel if you guys want to find that. You guys, if you haven't joined Discord already, go to sazanalytica.com and join the Discord channel. We're posting free signals. We got a traders chat. We got a all kinds of good shit over there. And it looks like Fabian just posted a long 4-hour signal on free signals. Um, Interesting. 1 day signal is still active. All right, I just put a response. Nice. Okay, so free signals is I mean, yo, it's been pretty legit. Interesting, man. Don't want to trade against don't want to trade against the homie here. Bitcoin motorist watching soccer. Nice, man. I hate to say it, but soccer used to be way better than it is now. Here we go. Buyers are stacking the front end of the book. Probably going to take a little bit more action on this short. Gonna take a little bit more action. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, let's take it. I just moved my average entry up 50%. And let's drop this to a 1 minute. Gonna be trading that. I'm gonna trade a tight grouping here. Um, yeah, soccer became it's such a fucking pussy sport, man. Soccer sucks. I hate watching grown men act like little bitches, dude. And even crazier, get paid more money than every other fucking most other humans in the world for it. Oh yeah. Maybe we'll figure out how to do the music thing soon. Um, so yeah, you guys go to sazanalytica.com, join the Discord channel, check the free signals. Fabian posted a 4-hour long. Let's see. Eventually, he says the 1 day is still active. Eventually, we will see a push higher before the New York Stock Exchange close. He thinks we're gonna get another move. So yeah, Mexican Hasselhoff, are you laughing about the soccer thing? I mean, dude, we watch men fight in the UFC, dude. How in the world can you watch a guy get fucking get nothing happens to him at all even. He fucking doesn't even get touched and then he just fucking rolls to the ground and grabs his face like a bitch. I just can't I just man, I couldn't watch the World Cup. I can't watch soccer anymore, dude. It's like all those guys are just total pussies. And then go on YouTube and look at like a soccer fight And it's guys that punch like fucking girls. They fucking will ch run after you and try to kick you. And it's just so crazy, man. I can't watch soccer, dude. It's a disgrace to men. Yo, what's up, Pim? Great to see you. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Hit that like button if you can. I appreciate you all for tuning in. Much love. Oh yeah, that last Lewis fight, dude. I don't get why everyone's saying the other dude dominated. The other dude just sat on top of him. Dominated is got on top and started blasting fucking elbows and shit. That was one of the least entertaining main events I've seen in a long time, dude. And that dude, like, honestly, I don't give him any respect. Almeida, that was one of the shittiest wins I've seen in a long time. Do I add a bit more? Do I add a bit more? Let's do 250. 6x, 6.7x. Um, Soccer off. That's funny, motorist. Yeah, you know what? Put on some UFC highlights. TD9 sell on what chart? Cost 15 minute. The weekly, I know. Um, all right. They were showing the wrong game anyways. Nice. Yeah, UFC 295 Saturday. That's a humongous fucking card right there. I'm real stoked about that one. Let's get ready to bail out on a little portion of this trade. Let's let's get back here. Excuse me. Get back here. Exit a little bit of the trade. 250. Show you guys how the scalp life works. It won't show me the percentage here. Let's see. This is a Alright, this is a 0.2 can. Okay, okay. Too bad we never got Edwards Masvidal fight. That would have been tight. Yeah, I agree. That would have been a sick one. I let's see here on Edwards. Yeah, to be honest, Edwards. I kind of like the guy, but I really don't think he's that entertaining, man. I don't know, but this is the thing that I always come back to is like these guys. He's been fighting some pretty top tier shit for a long time now, and he Leon Edwards. He's pretty good at the end of the day. I mean, the headshot bang to Kamaru Usman was pretty. That was really good. I mean, that was kind of a freak accident in my eyes, though. Kamaru Usman basically just fucked up one time. So it's a little bit. I don't think he's the most entertaining guy. I think Khamzat Chimaev would have been a better welterweight champion. Nate Diaz almost fucking beat Leon Edwards in the 24th minute of their fight, which was absolutely insane. Colby gonna get smoked. I hope Colby gets smoked. I really don't like Colby Covington. And you know what's crazy? Everyone says he's such a good guy, out of character, and he probably is, but yo, I don't like anyone who's that two-faced, who brings family and, wives and shit into it. I don't even like when McGregor does that, and I like McGregor. So, yeah, it's total fucking bullshit. Colby Covington, he's such a piece of shit, man. I don't like him. I don't like anyone that has to be that much of a two-faced piece of shit in order to get money. I mean, yo, DDP Strickland. Um, I like Strickland. I like Strickland. He says some good shit. He does some good shit. Believe he's an American who believes in America, and I agree with that. I really do. Now, is Strickland the greatest middleweight I've ever seen? Probably not, but he's it's pretty interesting. I mean, he has stepped up on a number of times and fucked some dudes up. So I like his style. He's always fighting in the gym, always active. And yeah, I really think Strickland has a chance against EDP. Far lesser of a chance against what's his face? Against Hamzat. Alright, I'm thinking about maybe bailing out on a portion of my position just for a D-lev here. The reason why I sometimes add lev is to prepare to D-lev. This is looking pretty good. I'll take a little bit out. Yeah, I'll take it out here. Alright, took a little bit off the top. Let's bring this down to a 1 minute again. Alright, let's prepare another little exit. Oh shit. Oh man. Now I'm trading against myself. Wrong one, bro. Oh, I fucked that up. Now I'm trading against myself. Classic. So, I'll have to. I'm probably gonna be able to win on all this, but let's get ready to close a little bit of this. Can I move this thing? Gonna move back down toward the bottom end of that candle. I'm just paying attention over here. Wait a sec. Strickland all the way, 100%. I really like Strickland. And Sean O'Malley, he's pretty funny. Strickland is pretty amazing. I think he's a good human being. Got it figured out. Got a few things. He's woken up from the matrix a bit there. All right, I'm closing 250. D-Lev. All right, so this is how we trade, guys. This is how we scalp. Right now, I'm adding lev up here to be able to D-Lev. Oh, nice. I'll take a little bit more. Take a little bit more at this horizontal here. Da, da, da. Yeah, let's take it. Let's do that. Fighting pretty tight here. We got a little bit of dust flooding the book right now. We got 3.9 pack, 3.2 pack. Um, we have a 55 RSI. You know what? I'm gonna take a little bit more. Oh shit, we're already recovering. All right, well, I guess we'll close that long. Prepare to close the long. Shively, what's up? Great to see you. Always good to see you, brother. And 239 mil, 100x long liquidations sitting at 35K. What? Hold on. Am I saying that right? Are you saying a bunch of there was 239 million in 100x longs? So a bunch of people went 100x long down there, and their liquidation is like, let's say 34,800 or something like that, and there's 239 million in 100x longs. So that means that there's 2.9, 2.3 million in position value. That's insanity. I mean, he's in the money. Should fucking bail. High block capital has a chart for liquid. That's absolutely insane. I'm gonna try to turn this into a winning trade. I'm only down $3 on that one. Up 70 on the other trade. Just thinking a long entry at 35K might be good, he points out. Shibley points out. You're probably not wrong. I mean, we kind of agree that perps are probably the smarter traders out there. So yeah, I think we're in the same boat. Well, let's see. We're probably going to trade for a little while here. Again, I'm down $5 on one trade, up 30 on another, up 61 on the other. I've pulled out shit, probably around 30% of the other trade, the short. I got a 250 contracts times $25 per here. Let's pull up the dollars value. We got a $26,500 short active and an $8,800 long active. Um, at the same time, on the 26G short, we are positive 73 and negative $6 on the long. Um, okay, okay. Check some messages here. Bitcoin Motorist, 23 wins, 17 losses. Interesting. Bitcoin Motorist, you know what you should be doing right now? You should be watching reruns of the fight between. Yo, what's up, Duncan? Good to see you here. Um, just woke up and shorted from 35,550. Oh, fucking wow. Nice one. That's good. I'm gonna close another little bit here. Yeah, we're doing I'm gonna close contracts. I'm gonna close another 250 right here. Oops, not that one. I accidentally opened up a long against myself. 250. Then I'll only be a little bit shorter. Let's see what the going on. Neutralizing. Yeah, this is looking pretty decent. Should be closing that piece by piece. Few dudes up here. Might see you at Unconfiscatable. I want to go. I want to go. Bitcoin Motor switch fight. Watch Yuri Prohaska versus Dominic Reyes. Start with that one because Dominic Reyes was doing real good. He was doing real good, man. Up until he lost to John Jones, and that was kind of questionable. To be honest, that was definitely questionable. But John Jones is the GOAT. I mean, it's tough. Um, now I would watch Yuri Prohaska versus Dominic Reyes. Yeah, Jiri. Jiri Prohaska. Shibley, am I going to Unconf? I really want to go. I might have a couple things that are holding me back, but if I can go, if anything lets up, then I'm there 100%. Yeah, Yuri Prohaska versus Dominic Reyes is probably one of the greater fights in the UFC. Um, yeah, let's see here. King of Girona is here. All right. All right. What's up, Al Cubes? Here we go. A little bit of action here. Gonna dump a little bit more bag. Let's see here. We're only 3 candles into the beginning of this rundown. Not doing too much. Need to break that wick space. We got buyers, sellers stacked heavily at the top end of the book, both sides. And when I say heavily, I just mean relative. 2 pack sold, push us down a little bit of a little bit, couple bucks. Um, and yeah, I really want to go. I really want to go. I wish I could just, dude, motorist. I wish you lived closer to me, man. I wish we could just be taking road trips. How tight would that be just to fucking bust a little road trip down there, dude? What do I do? I'm into like only small portion of my overall position, and I am in a 3.9x position. I could chill here. Financial Summit is on. Yeah, I really do want to go, dude. I want to take a road trip today to Santa Barbara. Cigar Lounge. Oh, damn, dude. Yeah, motorists, man. We'd be a funny team, dude. We'd be a funny team. We could pretty much just roll. I'll stream in the car, bring a laptop, hotspot, and yeah, dude, that'd be pretty crazy. L cubes, yeah, dude, you gotta fly out here, man. All right, a little bit of green, stacked front end of the book. Let's see if are we still on a red candle here? Not really. All right, looks like we're starting to get the reversal here. So my plan is gonna be to bail out from that long, chase some tail with Joe says. Yep. Oh man, I would be thirsty in California, dog. These Midwest girls, dude, they're not really great at the end of the day. California girls, though, they are some delightful ladies out there. Let's see here. Come back. Man, this is like a little do something situation. Just really such a small channel here. One, two, three, four, average entry up here. This is the 500 and then an additional 250. Yeah, so we're just kind of boring right now. Kind of boring. I'll be able to close all these in profit though. Mexican Hasselhoff. I love black girls personally. All right, well, you know, you can go to Africa. I hear there's quite a few of them out there, Mexican Hasselhoff. They give the best fucking heads. Um, you know, there's a lot of best heads out there, I gotta say. Um, but yeah, dude, you can go to any major city. I think almost all the entire black population in the United States lives in like New York, Chicago, shit like that, you know, big cities. Um, yeah, major cities. But yeah, you'll be surrounded by them if you go to either Africa or New York, you know, the Bronx. You can go to Harlem, go to Chicago, and you're Mexican, so you might not get shot right away if you go in those areas. Yo, what's up, Brian S? Great to see you, brother. Um, I would say that I love most girls, but you know, everyone has a preference, and I like I like Asian, Mexican, white. I mean, yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, 100%. Fucking A, dude. Women. I've had my fun. But these girls out here, man, they're not that great. So I need to I think next it's gonna be probably work for a while. You know, stay consistent with the streams, get all this going on, and the next bull market, once I call the top again, and we all bail from you know, a portion of our Bitcoin positions at the top, and we all get out of everything, and we cash in some of that dollars. I'm probably gonna go on a nice little world tour, get some European girls, go to Asia, go to go to all parts of the world, man. Just want to disappear and, you know, get oracles from all over the world. You know what I'm saying? The best oracles from all over the world. Nothing wrong with that. Okay. Let's see here. What do we got going on? Yo, Ghost Fader, what's up? Everyone joining the Discord. It's fucking great to have you guys. Thank you for joining. Discord community is gonna be so sick. Oh, Duncan, I'm definitely coming to Japan, dude. Trust me. I've seen a few Japanese ladies in my time that I would definitely fall in short-term love with. I'm definitely going to Japan, dude. I'll see you out there. Al Cubes, you'll be my wingman. Yeah, well, you know what? At the top of the bull market, you're gonna be my second wingman to money. Money's gonna be my wingman, dog. Oh man, that's gonna be tight. Tell you what, man, money is a heck of a wingman. I'm gonna close out a little bit more of this. I'm definitely going to Japan though, Duncan. Oh shit, can't close it like that. You know what? Should I open a little bit? Should I just do some risk on trading, guys? Some high risk trading. Closing some of that. And let's adjust this average entry a little bit lower so that we can bail a little lower. All right, guys, we're going risk on here. Um, uh, Bitcoin motorist, money is my wingman. Yo, am I saying some memorable quotes? I also want to Japan, especially Kyoto. Yeah, I'm going wherever, I'm getting a hotel near where Duncan is. So and then we could travel Japan. Is Japan a road trippy place or is it islands? This is interesting. These buyers are really, really supporting this horizontal here. I'm actually going to close out of my short in full. I mean, I'm not trying to make $1 million off this thing. Let's close out the rest of this short and confirm we are closing the rest of the short. Now we're in a long. Let's take this long pretty decent. Oh, whoops. All right, we're left in a long. Okay, so we'll maybe do a Japan trip. And yeah, I definitely want to go to some Japanese cities because Japanese are so civilized and clean and respectful, man. I kind of like the fact that there's that one piece of shit kid out there, Johnny Somali or something like that. And he was acting like a total piece of shit out there. And the Japanese, like, were calling him out in the streets and shit. And now he's in jail and he might have to like plead guilty to some crime or some shit and be there for a while. That's what you get though. These fucking American pieces of shit go out in places, and I don't even know if he's American, British or I don't know, but Americans, man, they're so fucking entitled. They go out to all these different beautiful places of the world, disrespect other cultures, and then expect nothing to happen, dude. I think, fucking smack them upside the head, beat their ass while they're in jail, fucking, teach them a lesson and show the world that Americans can't go out and do that shit. We have to respect other cultures. The worst part about being American is that our government and politicians and all that shit up top allows for some of the most nasty fucking things to transpire, including war, including capitalism in the sense that we have a heavy focus on profit as it pertains to health, therefore incentivizing pharmaceutical companies to invest in food products and stuff like that, and we basically build emergencies around nothing in order to create profit for these, nasty, insidious people. So, I mean, the US is a really fucked ass place. We have military presence almost everywhere. We're terrible to all those different places. We don't need to be in any of those places. It's all just pieces of shit, doing the whims of BlackRock so that BlackRock can get the $500 billion contract to rebuild that area after we send our fucking our people to go die and fucking kill and have a lifelong broken conscience for it. So the dark side about being an American is that after we do all this to the entire world, a lot of Americans have the audacity to go to other places and disrespect them and their culture. And I think that's probably one of the worst things you could possibly do is like be happy to be an American that's doing all these terrible things and then fucking shove it in the faces of other people. So I'm really happy to see that one guy get his ass kicked and probably go to jail for a while in Japan. So I like Japan. I'm gonna go there, gonna fucking be respectful and gonna pound some booty, females, and it's gonna be real good. If I want to go to just the main cities, then trains are easiest, but if you want to go off the beaten track, you'll need a car. No, you know what? We'll do the trains. And interestingly enough, Japan used a very interesting way to map out their subway system or train railway system. Japan used fungi in order to, because they basically put a little like drop of some fungus food on a petri dish over every major city in Japan, and then they put a fungus in there, and the fungus spread and all that, and then it built the most efficient pathways between each city. and then Japan mirrored their railway system off of that little fungus thing. So Japan's really, really a beautiful place, I think. They have done some really cool stuff. So I would be excited to go to Japan. All right, here we go. We're entering the break-even zone of that long that I took, and we'll take a look there. But yeah, I think Japan just seems like such a cool place, and there's so many pretty ladies out there, and I want to have families in all seven continents. Knowing what I know now about how the world, there's depopulationists out there trying to make the world a nasty place. I want to have I need my bloodline to do a lot of work, a lot of damage against them. One of the ways of revolting right now is having more kids, you know? So I'm definitely going to go and have kids in a lot of different places. I'm gonna have nice 10 to 15 families. Russia, Japan, Mexico, uh, where else would I want to go? Europe, like probably three countries in Europe. Um, yeah, dude, gonna have some babies around the world. Definitely not in the United States though, man. Yo, women have it a little too good out here. Entitled. Yo, what's up, Hurley? Great to see you here. And everyone, if you haven't already, join the Discord channel. Go to sazanalytica.com. Join the Discord channel where you're going to see some free signals and all that kind of stuff. Free signals for example, Fabian's signal the other day posting about this long. We were both long on yesterday's channel, and bam, then we get the hit. Go ahead and join the Discord channel, you guys. You won't regret it. On top of that, hit that like button if you guys can. I truly appreciate it. Let's help rebuild this channel. Truly appreciate you all. Thanks for tuning in. And yeah, let's keep talking shit. So, yeah, let's see here. We're chilling on this long still, 420. So if you guys got to do something, go do it now. 420 there for you, 2.35. We're back above break even with a very small candle here. We're on the 1 minute chart. You know what? Let's drop this down to a 1 minute chart. And sometimes this is what I do, guys. I look at the candle and I use this to gauge what the fee is, you know, if I'm breaking the fee. So if I'm looking at like on this chart, I can't press shift and look at the candle. So, but this is probably about the distance of a fee. So I know I just need to break about that high above the candle. Shibble, you got 4 kids yourself, man. Yeah, dude, shove it to these depopulationist pieces of shit, dog. Yeah, Pim, good point. Fabian posted another long today, and on the 4 hour he said confirming the daily. So you guys in the free signals chat and in the Discord channel, me and Fabian will be posting out there. And Fabian just threw one out, so it's great stuff. It's great stuff. Fabian's algo has been fucking spot on, dude. It's been fantastic. And but yeah, dude, shove it to these depopulationists, man. Have kids with a good woman. All right, getting there a little bit. Getting there a little bit. We'll take this action. All right, we're probably about break even on the fee. I wish it showed you though, man. I don't. I want to figure out a tool. Drawings. Feel like a percentage. All right, well, do we need to bail from this right now? It's just a small trade, anyways. It's not like a huge money maker. I just wanted to be able to bail out from it anyways. 14 bucks up. Let's get ready to close some of this. We might be playing some ping pong, guys. Nice. Perfect. Beautiful. Keep it going. Close half of it. There we go. Toward the top. That's not bad. Um, Seller stacked up here. Not getting signals yet. I will enter another short if we start getting signals. Seller stacking. Holding the line right now. Two packs plus another. Um, yeah, let's see a little bit more of a move to the upside. Oh, come on, push it a little higher. All right, new candle. Come on, let's get that push. And a wide bid-ask spread, a little bit of action. 470. Um, let's see here. All right, I'm bailing. Actually, fuck, it's a little too late. I need to wait for this to clean up. All right. Fuck. A little bit higher. Let's get some of that greed. All right, that's good enough. I was right at the top there. It's been pretty sweet. How do you guys like the live trading? This won't happen all the time. To be honest, I am gonna do a master class in my other thing. Beautiful. There we go. We're gonna get our short signal. All right. I'm gonna start peppering this a little bit. Let's do a 250. Let's do a 250. Get some, cover the greed right there. Get in. I'm gonna end up doing about a. I'm gonna do a nice little master class on a 10, like a 2 month thing in the Discord channel. Gonna make a bunch of videos, and prepare some live trading scenarios that'll be coming out in the future. Fabian's algo's coming out pretty soon with presets. Gonna have a lot of things. We're getting ready to roll out some great shit out of that Discord channel. All right. So, is anyone else trading right now? Just curious. I just calculate it mentally, and I'm looking at over here. Like I look at this. This is a 0.08% candle. Three of those is the fee. This one right here, 0.08. Sometimes I'll switch to a 5-minute candle just to take a better look at the fee spread. You could probably go here and look on the, see, does it show, yeah, it shows the percentage right there. So what you can do is look at the candle 0.04, this is 0.08, yeah, so you can do the fee spread like that. Um, yeah, this is looking pretty decent. What? This, I like this trading view chart. We don't need EMA 5 and 10. Here, we can do this though too. All right, let's see something real quick. Um, where in the fuck is my fees? I want to just make sure that, oh, here we go. Okay, 0.06 maker, taker, 0.06. So I got to cover 0.06 spread each time. 0.06, not much. That's easy. So it's pretty easy for me. I just do a little mental math in there. Stalling pretty hard. All right, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go a little higher. Well, on the off chance that we do go a little higher, why is this thing looking stiff? This is frozen. Okay, there we go. All right, let's add another little action. Going short up there. And let's bust out. That's why I like the other one. The other one has the buy sell on it. This helps. There we go. Take a little bit more. Let's prepare another 250. See, are we just starting to get signals yet? No. That's why I'm just getting into it lightly. I try to have a rule not to double stack on one candle. Um, let's see here. 242, and then I press this button. 242, come on. Where's my fucking second counter? I need seconds. 3, 2, 1. Bam. Alright, take it. Nice. Just kind of lightly entering. No signal. Alright. Got in 3 trades. Closed closed a couple longs down here. Added to a long down here. Opened a long and added to one. Yeah, been a little interesting. You know, not necessarily making $1 million right now, but just having a good time. Keeping the gloves on. And you guys just remember whatever exchange you use, be sure to pay attention to the contract size because each contract here is like $25 or something, so it's pretty expensive. So if you buy 100 contracts, that's a lot, you know. Let's see here. Yeah, Hurley. 100% limit fills are 0.02% cheaper here, and I could also walk away from my computer. So you're not wrong. Profit maximizing firm is to do that. Why am I not doing it? No reason in particular. Um, just no reason in particular. I can do it next time. All right, let's cap that. Oh shit. Doink. I'm just slightly, moving my average entry up little by little. Staying in a reasonable leverage zone. Nothing too crazy happening here. What's the background of Deepcoin? I don't know. Um, they're kind of they're a good exchange, a fantastic interface and all that stuff. Everything's working real good. Um, but the thing is, they want to build up their user base, so I'm gonna help them. I just wanted I started off just testing it out because they needed to see how it was running, and I really like this exchange. It's really legit. You can exit based on indicators. You can exit like, look, you can exit right here using some sort of indicator based condition. You can enter based on indicators, all kinds of shit. Um, it's actually really interesting. I like it a lot. Let's get these Bollinger Bands out of here though. I should probably I'm 5x in with the intent with the uh I'm gonna take a little bit of that action too. Interesting. All right, let's see if I can get out of that. Pop. I'm gonna end up going a little heavy toward the top. Oh, and we're not getting signals out here. This is really interesting. This is very interesting, guys. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of a heavy leverage situation. Oh, damn. No. Come back for me. Come back up. Oh, come back up. That's where a freaking limit order would have been real nice, man. Yeah, I like that too. Damn, humongous fucking candle there. I want to get a piece of this up high. New high. This could get a little emotional. 2.34. I kind of missed my opportunity to double down up real high. That was only a split second of chance there. 2.9. All right, well, let's see. Bitcoin's kind of boomeranging back for me. Um, yeah, let's get in some hot water, man. Let's just switch this to a 500. I want to wait till this thing gets a little higher. But now that we've been here, we can get here again, maybe even a little higher. There it is. Keep fighting. All right, average entry increased a little bit there, and we'll prepare another one. And we're looking good. We're looking good. Heavy action, top end of the book right now. All right, so I'm gonna probably take a little bit more of this. And a little sketchy, that's for sure. All right, well, I did it. So now we're in 12x. Now we ride the tide. Pretty illiquid buy side. Looks like a breakout move, yes, but it is stalling a little bit. So we're sitting at the heavy overhead resistance. A lot pretty illiquid down here. Let's just see what happens. Hey, you win some, you lose some at the end of the day. Can't win them all. What I did do was move my average entry up and give myself an opportunity to deleverage a little bit if we get just below that line. Or we can just go degen right now. Yo, looking good. You know what? I just want to make this a nice even number there. 13x. 2500. Wow, dude, buyers are really trying to clean this up though. Oh shit. Damn. That's the thing. I always try to get like the absolute high and the absolute low, and it makes me sad when I miss it. This is one of those situations where I'm pretty sad, but gonna have to sit in this one for a little bit. We got a super cooked RSI. Little emotion is taking over right now. And it's good to take nibbles out of this. Are we gonna break above 36K? I don't know yet, but it looks like there's potential for it. Um, Stacking up a little bit. It's getting interesting. I wonder what's gonna happen in an hour. In an hour, we have that Sydney Open two packs, one pack. Man, it's definitely getting hot right now. Super cooked RSI, consistent gold mine. Gonna have to wait this one out, unfortunately. Damn, dude. I wish I would have bought in a little higher. But don't we all, right? We'll bail. We're gonna get this fill down here. I'm not too worried about it. But that is unfortunate, man. Market really took off. Could have been in at 35.8, 35.8, 100, 35.8, 12. Could have been in at a more perfect position. $200 away from where I am now. That's a little sloppy. A little sloppy. Eight pack plus two threes. Buyers are still hungry, man. Good to see. Good to see. And it's off a blow off, little blow off top there. Damn, they're really pushing the high end of this candle. 7, 8. Wow, they're really pushing this thing, going nuts. Probably a couple stop loss triggers. Let's take a better look at this. 36,000 up here, 35.9 in the way. No liquidity on the buy side. It looks like it's all market buyers. Um, 5 pack, 8 pack leading the top end of the buy side book. 240, 102, 35.9, 1.28, 1.7, 1.54. Something's really taking this thing to the next level. Oof. Unfortunate. Entering the low end of the signals here. Um, it's gotta chill. Damn, this sucks. 5 and 5. Mostly, yeah, it looks like someone just sold a little chunk there. There isn't too much in the book. 3 pack, 2 pack. People are getting excited. RSI is cooked on the 1 minute. Let's check the 5. 5 minute, pretty damn cooked as well. Is this new yearly highs? Not quite. Yearly high is 35,984. Well, Fabian's signal long was pretty beast. Damn, still pushing 7-1. Oh, that just sucks, man. That sucks. Negative 600. Ouch. Ouch. And pushing into the signals, 9.62 is probably one of the more significant sells that we've caught so far. Damn, that's a pretty decent one to be honest. That's a good little top right there. 35.9 up at bat here pretty soon. 28 pack and 30 and 40 pack in front of it. 6.6, 3.1 purchased and purchased. A lot of whole number stuff going on. It's okay, Mexican Hasselhoff. Don't worry, man. To be honest, I'm still not. This is, you guys need to understand what makes a trade is when you close it. If I close right now, yeah, it sucks. Um, if I close after we come back down, then it's no pain. The only thing is, like what I've found in my time as a trader is it was more about being perfect, and being perfect is kind of hard to be. You make a lot of good trades, but that pursuit of perfection, it's what you get addicted to more than the trade or whatever. Being right is good, but being perfectly right is way better. And so yeah, a trade just matters about how and when you close it. Um, how much did we make earlier? Maybe a couple hundred or something like that between the longs and the shorts. So, if I take a couple steps forward today and then like say I take one step forward and 2 steps back, that's also fine too. We're just having a good time here at the end of the day, brother. Um, it's just a hot scenario, and whether we're learning from my, oh wait, that was 2.5 to 5% band light ups. You gotta be kidding me. Did I misread that this entire time? Yeah, I guess so. Well, this is the semi-trend bias, not the full trend bias. Now our full trend bias is lit up. Interesting. A lot of behavior here still. A lot of emotional buying behavior still going on. We have a hooked RSI on the 5. Definitely a hot spot. I wonder what happened right here. I wonder if there's some news going on. I'm gonna take a quick scan through Twitter. Just gonna refresh that page. See if I have something on my Twitter feed other than people making fun of OnlyFans hoes for wanting kids now and not being able to find a man to settle down with. Let's see here. Oh man. Um, Racism stuff, hoe stuff, war stuff. Oh, some stupid transgender stuff. Or I can't tell if that's a woman that looks like a man or what. Uh, let's see here. Voting machines have been shut down in several Pennsylvania districts due to votes being flipped. Yo, dude, voting is such a scam, dude. Hate to say it. I know a lot of people care. Holy shit. Ah, interesting. Fabian's sending me some sort of news, a crypto news calendar. Interesting. Let's see. Yo, this is interesting. We're on Tuesday at 3:30. UK Bank of England government speaks. CFTC. All right. So these are news articles that could affect the crypto market with some forecasts as to what will happen. All right. Um, right now it looks like a lot of people are talking, but it's not like a ETF thing. Wait, what time is it? No, Tuesday, the both of the things are over now. Still pushing that last little bit of heat out of this. I mean, it stalled, but there's still a lot of buyers going on right now. And it's crazy. This is really interesting. I wonder what these guys are thinking. I think this is the top. I think this is for sure the top, and these guys buying right now are dumb. So I'm trying to wonder what would they be thinking that has them buying in right now. Another 5 pack. This guy's bought about 25 Bitcoin in the past 2 minutes. So people must be thinking we're gonna go post a new yearly high at the very least. You don't buy 25 Bitcoin with the intent to scalp $100 later. It's interesting. Another 5 pack. This guy's now 30 Bitcoin deep. I'm assuming it's the same individual. Um, Now we're getting a bit of some bearish behavior, some engulfing type behavior. Big move. 5 pack again. This guy's really thirsty for Bitcoin. Nothing wrong with that, but don't blow your load in the same candle. We need probably a couple of these in order for me to be able to bail. I'm gonna delev it a little bit at break even. 2.6, 2.5. People are buying the dip pretty heavy, selling the dip pretty heavy. Let's take a look over here. Probably down here somewhere. All right, we're getting real close. I'm now down. So this is why Mexican Hasselhoff, I just want to comment on what you're saying. Sorry. This is why it's important to keep your cool. This is really important to keep your cool. And let's prepare to bail from some of this. Let's get rid of 500 at break even. Oh shit, we're not gonna get it. Is that too greedy? All right, we'll wait for it a little bit. We're gonna bail a little bit of this at break even. We'll begin the deleveraging process. All right, let's see here. It looks like this is, all right, sellers are pushing us a little lower. There we go. Let me get out of here. 500 contracts out. All right, let's go back down to a 1 minute for now. Only thing about a trade that matters is when you exit. All right, sellers want to push this down a little bit more. I'm going to be exiting a bit more just on the off chance that we do get one slight push higher. It does seem momentum has shifted in full favor of the bears for now, but I always would prefer to have a little bit more breathing room. Always get breathing room buys you time to think. It buys you time to, and the most valuable thing you can have as a trader is time. And so, what I do sometimes when I add lev up here, or wherever I did, right, not perfectly. This time it was actually kind of ugly. The price ran away from me pretty hard there. It sucked. But the whole purpose to me when I add lev like that is to buy myself time when we do come back to that break even. I de-lev a little bit and then I could add more back up high. And or whatever, I could do whatever. But I'm buying myself time to think, and that's really important. You need time, you need clarity, and markets don't often provide that for you. So, I can even, if we come back up here, I can add those 500 contracts right back, and that'll be fine. Sellers look like they're owning the market right now. We got two fat stacks right there on the top end of the book and perps. Relatively, it's tight down here. 8.78 purchased. That five packer is probably pretty fucked right now though. That was definitely above 100K. All right, so five packer was fucking the fudge packer was buying a lot, man. A very, I mean, it's probably can't just be one guy, but I mean, it very well could be. And this guy was fucking smashing the buy button on five packs. It's 150 G's per buy, greater than 150 G's. Let's see if we're gonna get this little move again. Let's just wait it out. So I'm only down 100 bucks. I'm down 50% or so of what I've made today. If I close right now, and so Hasselhoff, it's yeah, if you guys trading is hard and you go through a lot of emotion and a lot of tough times, but if you keep your cool, you're going to be able to get through a lot of it. And obviously, a price could have run up to 40,000 and it could have been liquidated. But, how often do black swan events happen or white white swan or white dove or whatever the fuck? It's probably a couple times a year. So you don't want to bet on that. You have to assume normal market conditions unless otherwise noted. And we did take a look at the news. Oh wait, did I not take a look at the news on this thing? Let me do that again. I'm gonna show this because this is what Fabian posted. There's something to do with like different times and dates, and you could see what things that potentially pertain to crypto are happening. So that's interesting. Close that. All right, 19.8 at 35.6. Okay, five packer again. Not really like all buyers, all buyers. 35.8. Sellers, oh wow, someone really sold that top. Wow, oh shit. Yo, sellers, man. They really clustered that up. Someone must have, so this might be one individual selling like a 30 pack or something like that, just spread out over a few orders. All right, so that seems to have been some of the more exciting action for the day. Is it over? I don't know. I don't want to assume that just yet. We're gonna keep playing this thing as long as we get action. I eat in a little bit. gonna drop this trade size down a bit so we can pay closer attention to some of the smaller stuff. All right. 2.6, 1.0, 1.6. Buyers still really want this thing to break out. Um, I should bail on a bit more of my trade at break even. Let's see. So bulls, we're talking 7-3, 18, 19, 12, 10. Very dynamic. Here's the 18 pack, 21 pack at 35, 5, 6. Um, Buyers have some, they filled some of those holes right there. 30 pack, um, dynamic 2.3s back to back, 1.1. All right, maybe we should bail a little bit more, but let's just take a quick look at this. All right. Mostly dust. 9, 14, 10, 5, 10, 9. Sitting right at a horizontal here. 10 pack, there it was. I definitely did some damage. All right. Let's see what we get out of this. A little bit more red. Yeah, small moves, small moves. I guess all the big moves happened already. We have the full retrace on the beginning of that, craziness. Full retrace would be down here from the beginning of the run. But we've just capped out where the emotion took off. The emotion took off about here. We've now completed our full retrace of that. So I'm thinking, does this thing full retrace from the beginning of the run? This was probably unnatural, but what has this done to the integrity of the market? And it's potentially changed sentiment. Now, the burden of proof in something like this is on the bulls, and they definitely put their efforts in, but they fell off. They went sideways for too long. Sellers started gaining too much confidence that this was the top. There was that one 5 pack buyer that was just staying real stiff up here, but you can't do it by yourself, man. All right, 3.5, 1.6, 5, 7, 7, 5, fucking 3, 12, 12, 18, 15, 14, 6, 9. All right, so we're at the bottom of the emotion, at the bottom of the emotional takeoff, and we're kind of chilling. Let me take a look up at all right, Fabian posting up in the Discord channel a couple things. He posted in the announcements section. Fabian posted some of those articles that have to do with crypto. If you guys want to take a look in there, go on over to the Discord channel and check out the announcements. You guys, Fabian posted about four article sites that show Bitcoin related shit, crypto related shit. Yeah, sellers are really getting confident here. Buyers did step up. Good number of red candles in a row here. Let's see if we can get a kind of a big one. A lot of buyers are defending this area. Horizontal, buyers really defending it. Good to see. Now I'm in about a 10x position, and do I want to keep it this way? Do I want to keep it this way? Starting to get a little tight here. If I can exit another chunk at break even, I'm going to take it. Let's just see what this looks like. All right, so we'll bail on another break even chunk if we get there. We're pretty much actually close enough that I could take this off. I try not to ever take a loss, but this is pretty close. Now it needs to come back a little bit. It will. I think we're stalling out over here. 308, 501. Let's see, what do we got here? 3.2. That's actually probably a little bit of break even. Yeah, that's close enough. A little bit over the line. Go. Damn. Bust that line for me. Really tight fight right here. You can see the top two aggregations really fighting it out in such a small range here. Alright, we're about there. Alright, I will take this. Alright, down to sub 10x position. And alright, so we live. The bulls do seem to have some wind in the sails still. I mean, overall, maybe I should be thinking about a full exit of this position. I want to get a bit lower though. Wouldn't mind taking some money off the table here. Come on, baby. Alright, let me get my water pitcher to fill up my water. Oh, feels good to stretch every once in a while. That's what's up. Anyone have any, oh shit, questions or comments, anyone? I've just been in my own head here trading for a bit, trying to keep it out loud, but I don't know why I'm tired still. Alright, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Get a little bit more of this. Get a little bit more. Sellers are stuffing this now. Alright, let's see here. Push it down a little more. Because now I don't really need to delev. Maybe I could delev a little bit more. But yeah, this now I'm thinking profit. Thinking move down to here. Let's take a look at the RSI. On the 1 minute, on the 5 minute. Pretty high. Alright, so you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join that Discord channel. Got 4 likes. I assume the 4 likes is from Motorist, Al Cubes. That's definitely 2 of them. That's definitely 2 of them. Someone just hit it. Thank you. Alright, so we are in a very slight profit here. After that run up, pretty stressful. Yeah, smash the likes. Yeah, Bitcoin Motorists, everyone else smash the likes. Thank you guys. Um, I knew it was you too, Motorist. I know you're definitely one of the likers. Thanks, Matthew. Bana. Did I say the last name right? All right, here we go. Starting to get a little bit of dollars in the pocket here. We'll take some, but let's see at this thing. I'm in a seven. Let's just say round up to an 8x position. Let's look at some of the trade history here. 5 pack sellers are definitely piling it on a bit more. Empty aggregations at the top of the book from the buyers. 9 and 9 now, down to 4. A little bit of dust spot. Nice, dude. Thank you, Matthew Bana. 10 packs sold, 121 bars knocked out. All right, we are at 3:15. We're 45 minutes away from the Sydney Open, where we're due to get some action. We don't get it every day. This might have been the action, but we definitely get some close to that 4 p.m. Chicago time. Getting bigger sellers dumping. This could be sellers dumping the bottom. So this is curious to me. I don't like that. I'm actually going to bail a little bit on my position if I have. I want to give this thing a little bit more time to go lower. Yeah, gonna have to wait for that green candle to extinguish. Nice, went from 4 straight to 10 likes. Thank you guys. Um, all right, so we're talking 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. Little Duster 3, 4 pack. Holding the line with the bulls. Empty aggregation 7, 4 pack at the top of buy book down to point Dick. 7 pack sell side. 3, 4 pack. So 35, 550 is the aggregation they're fighting over. Buyers consumed it. Yo, Mo, what's up? Good to see you, brother. Always good to see you, man. Hope all is well. And we're just trading. Trading. I'm pretty much made mostly profitable trades today with a couple break evens. That overall trade that I took the break evens on is still has the potential to make some money. About 12 pack. No, that's more. That's like a 15 pack. Someone, yeah, this is what I'm saying. This could have been the sellers bottoming out. Look, no liquidity on the sell side. 5, 14, 8, 13, 13, 18, 20 near the top end of the book. 8 pack at the top end of the book. I might exit a little more of this at this range, break even range. I mean, let's see here, lower high for now, so let's just watch. I didn't like the fact that so many sellers were selling bigger chunks right when it could have been the bottom, so I think of max pain all the time. And once you see a lot of people doing the same thing, it's probably a max pain situation coming not long after. So, little lessons for you guys. Matthew Bana, I followed last channel. Just learned you had a new one while watching Tone this past week. Happy you're back, brother. Well, thank you so much, man. I appreciate the support, the long-term support there. I really do. And I'm happy to see, yeah, this is the new channel and we all probably knew what was going to happen to the last one after the shit I was talking, right? Um, but I'm happy to be back and thank you so much for the support. And that goes for all of you. Thank you so much for the support. So many of you I've known for so long, so I truly love it. Appreciate you all. All right, let's delev a little bit more. Should be a little bit lower. Thing always takes a minute to load. All right, let's pull off another 500. Confirm. Oh shit, right when I did that, the wick started running. All right, caught it again. Um, all right. We're down to a pretty conservative contract size here. We're chilling right now. 5x trade. Nothing wrong with that, guys. And this is a, oh fuck. All right, well, buyers, what are we all doing here? 2, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1. Point Dick. 3.5. Dick, 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 dick. 375. There we go. There it is. All right, so we're definitely in a pretty decent fight here. Horizontal range down here. First resistance up, or support, I should say. I think they want to make a higher high today. Was the new yearly high posted on Binance? It is 984,888. Interesting. Didn't get a higher high. Very close to it though. Everyone take a little water break. Make sure you drink some water right now. Everyone drink some water. Should we do some push-ups too? If we get 5 comments, then I'm doing 50 push-ups and someone else is joining me. All of you are doing push-ups. 5 comments and then everyone has to do push-ups. That's you two, Motorist and Al Cubes. You got it. You better be doing your push-ups, Al Cubes. And if you can't do that many push-ups, then you got to do a plank for a while. All right, 1 comment. Mo Bazari, Barazi, sorry. Already did 100 today. Beautiful. Nice. Duncan in Japan. All right. Did we say 3 or 5? Because if we said 3, then it's up. All right. Push-ups time, everyone. John, gamey. Nice. If no higher high, could this mark possible top? Nah, we're close enough that this is just channeling to me, John. But John, I'm glad you commented. And Matthew, nice. John, looks like you're up for push-ups. Everyone up for push-ups. I'm doing 50 right now. 25. That was 60. All right. 60. Everyone, good shit, guys. Jay, doing your planks. Motorist, do them. I know you got at least 10 in you, Motorist. 30-second plank. Fucking great, man. That's good. Do 45 seconds. Shit. You know what? Let's see. I'm gonna try to turn on the camera, actually. My house is messy, guys. There's nothing fancy about what's going on over here. Man, let's do this. Let's just see what I can do here. Uh, oh wait, I probably need to plug it in. That'll help. I definitely want to make a better camera setup here. Nice, Mo. Done. Excellent. Um, okay. How do I make this work? All right. We got the camera working. What's up, guys? Good to see you all. Welcome. We'll figure out a way to make this a little nicer at some point. But I just did my push-ups right over here. You can, it's kind of dark in here. But yeah, push-ups done. And clean up. Yeah, I got a lot of blankets around the couch. You know, I just still sleep on the couch. Slept on the couch for like 3 years. Don't really care about beds that much. It's not like I have a woman I need to impress. I have beds, but yeah, me and William just fall asleep watching TV half the time. Or like he falls asleep and, you know, I put on Thor or something like that. And yeah, we're living the good life, man. We got 35 minutes until the Sydney Open, so for some reason there's been action around that time. Doesn't make 100% sense to me, but I like it. I like the fact that we got something. So we're gonna take a look then. This is the good life though. Some good trades. Yeah, it's kind of blocking some of the order book here. I don't really know how to make this look good too, you know? But what do I do with it? Like I need to figure out how to some better ideas on how to make this look cleaner. Ones, ones, twos. All right. Well, honestly, I might be inclined to double down now that I've deleveraged quite a bit. That gave me a lot of breathing room to be able to double down if I so choose. So that's something that I'll be thinking about. We do pop, but man, this time if we pop, I have a feeling we're posting yearly highs. So I don't know. This is a tough one. Do I bail out of the position in full at the next opportunity? Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Maybe it's better to be in no position right now. Let's just give it another 15, 20 minutes. We don't need to rush anything right now. All right, everyone, did you also drink some water? Oh yeah. All right. All right, guys. Putting the feet up. I'm putting my feet up. All right, what's Discord saying? Wow, man, we had a few people leave, I guess, from the push-ups. That's wild. Could be yearly highs this week. It's a weekly 9 sell, by the way, and no higher high, small short for now. Let's see. Where where is this? Oh, well, excuse the typos. Saluki. Um, all right. So, yeah, dude, we're down a few people since the push-ups. That's not good. It's not good. And drink your water, guys. Nice, all cubes. Get some reverse osmosis water in there. Emergency pump stream, yo, Kimozabi. And you know what? We actually got a pump during the emergency pump stream. Good to see you. Yeah, lazy fuckers. Ah, Ryan. I love it, dude. Oh man. Dude, you know what, dude? I guess we're gonna go back to a little bit of those old days, man. I'm gonna fucking get off of all these streams being unable to lift my fucking arms up, dude. You know what? Let's do a long stream one of these days with the goal to get 500 push-ups done in one stream. 500 push-ups in one stream. Let's start with 250, the 500 in one stream. All right, doing another 40. I did 60 my first time. I'm gonna do another 40. Let's see if this matters that much. All right. Yeah, we're all gonna get in shape together, guys. Twice as fast as we normally do. All right, I'll do them this way. $15. 40. All right. Get some deep breaths in. Move this thing back over here. I'm just kicking it with my legs up. Gotta make sure you take some deep breaths though, guys. And then a little microdose. And set intention. All right. I gotta be honest. I need to do more push-ups, Hurley. I really need to do more push-ups. I think it'll actually be good for us to do them in here, challenge each other a bit. I should be able to do at least 250 like in one stream. That's a minimum. Right now, um, I think I told you guys I got in that little scrap the other day, so my fucking ribs were fucked for a while. I think I might actually have a cracked rib, man. Still fucked, but um, yeah, that was what, two Fridays ago. It still hurts. Not a good sign, but no health insurance, so I don't go to hospitals. I really don't trust doctors and hospitals anymore. I'll trust them to set a broken bone, but that's about it. Seriously, that's about it, man. Fucking doctors. Has anyone been to a hospital lately? Do they ask you if you've been vaccinated? I wonder if that's one thing. When I went to yeah, yeah. Um other guy looks fucked. If I ever, you know. It was actually it was a hard scrap with a it was a hard friendly scrap, but it was no holding back. So, and it was a kind of a drunken idea too. So it was hitting without feeling, and we were ripping it. So it was good. Um, nice. Lori and Paul Bana Dream Vacations. That's awesome, man. Um, yeah, I need to do a lot more push-ups though. I fucking my rib took a big one though. That's awesome. Mr. Bana there. All right. So, do you schedule vacations and do you accept crypto? That'd be pretty tight, man. You should do all the travel planning for crypto things. Fabio, they should ask you how many times you got COVID instead. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I'm wondering, has anyone been to a hospital lately and do they ask you anything like that? Are you vaccinated? Do you? I remember when I went at the beginning of the year to get like my blood work done, and to be honest, I never got the results back. I ended up getting distracted and moving away. I wonder if I can call them and ask for my results. So I moved away and I don't know. Oh, okay. Got tested for AIDS and syphilis. Well, were you clean? I mean, Mexican Hasselhoff, if you got AIDS and syphilis, then, I'm just gonna have to make sure I don't bang the same hoe you do. Syphilis is curable if I'm not mistaken. But if we go to Miami together, shit, man. If I see you talking to a girl, I'm just not even going near her. Staying clear of that one, dude. You're good? Hold on. What does yes mean? Ah, gotcha. Gotcha. Matt, Anna. So Hasselhoff, uh, did you test that you do in fact have them or that you do not in fact have them? Okay, you do not have them. All right, well, I was gonna say, man, I gonna say you can keep your black ladies when we go out to the clubs in Miami, the next bull market. You can keep your black ladies to yourself. You know what? You could still keep your black ladies to yourself. You can have all of them. We would actually probably work well together. You can keep the black ladies and I'll keep the Asians and the whites and the Mexicans and all the others. I was not trying to get tested, but they were like, it's protocol. Yeah, look, I do have some blood tests I need to get back. They took like fucking 10 vials of my blood, man. So, yeah, I definitely need to get those results. Put them into ChatGPT so it can do my medicals for me. We're 20 minutes out from that Sydney Open, and I'm at break even. This probably made up for any of the losses or the slight underwater break evens I took. This has to have made up for it and fees. So the next one, if I can get a little bit of juice down here, I might take it. And if I was right and the price runs downhill, I'll have to live with that because I'll tell you what, it's far better to win or lose nothing than it is to lose, you know. Joe, have you tried Bard 2 in the end? Have you tried Bard 2? What do you mean, brother? Fabio, I'm not 100% sure I understand what you mean there. Bard 2. When I think Bard, I think a guy that plays music and travels the world. And I think that's like and drinks beer, from like the 1400s. Yeah, we need to figure out a way to format this chart so I can have like my camera in here, but also make it look a little better and organized. Because right now, just the camera hovering over the trade history and it's half that order book is not great. Maybe minimize the chart a little bit to the left. and then do a couple things. Bard. Hmm. No, I haven't tried it, but I'll check it out. I will check it out soon. Gork is XAI version. Gork. Gork. Is it available? Climbing up a little bit. Let's see what we got. Alright, good shit, Saluki. Just saw your comment in there. Alright. Grok. Oh. GROK. Oh man, this is gonna be crazy. Oh, limited to verified users. Maybe. Maybe I'll become verified. But yeah, we're gonna do some shit with AI. It'll be kind of tight. 18 minutes till that open. Alright, so just a reminder, you guys, if you haven't already, don't hesitate to go to sazanalytica.com, join the Discord channel, hit that like button if you haven't already. Truly appreciate you guys. And alright, back to charts. Probably gonna be able to get a little sub break even. Move out of here, 0.5. Thought I saw recurring. No, miss. 229. All good, Hurley. That's pretty funny. In any case, I like both of those words, grok and gork. In Cyberpunk 2077, they call people gonks. I like that too. Still got mad liquidity at 36. Yeah, a 336 pack and a 141 in front of it. 141 leading the top end of the sell side book. And on the buy side, we have mostly illiquid gaps above where we took off from 34.5. Here we are, and we filled up everything to 34.8 with something decent, and 34.9 and above is pretty illiquid. 10 packs sold. Just look at the CME chart. I mean, 55K, looking decent, as Bubbles would say. How many of you guys watch Trailer Park Boys? Oh, you guys, I made that lotion, by the way. It came out pretty damn good. It's probably the best lotion I've ever used in my whole entire life, you guys. That 100% grass-fed, grass-finished tallow lotion. Best lotion I've ever used in my whole life, dude. My skin feels great today still. Feeling super, super good. Yeah, dude. I just watched through it all again. Um, Not just, maybe a couple weeks ago I finished it. But yeah, dude, I fucking love that show, man. Trailer Park Boys. It's so crazy rewatching it, and you just look at episode one, season one, episode one, and Julian and all of them, they're so fucking young, dude. It's crazy. They're so fucking young. Sad, man. Time is crazy, dude. Time is crazy. So, uh, all right. Matt, what lotion am I talking about? I made some lotion. Let's see here. Let me grab it. Okay. This one is, you know what? I think I did all that too while there was no camera. I made tallow lotion. I got a bunch of tallow from a grass-fed farm, grass-fed cows, and then I rendered it and I made a bunch of lotion. You can make lotion out of it. This one, it's non-scented, but I probably need to refine it a couple more times and then scent it. Uh, and basically what you do is you do like a 4-to-1 ratio of tallow to an oil, and I did like a really healthy, extra virgin, fresh olive oil from Greece, so it wasn't contaminated by soy oil in the US or anything like that. I actually also use this as chapstick, by the way. It's edible, man. Edible lotion. And they say that you shouldn't put anything on your skin that you wouldn't eat. And yo, this is the best, absolute best lotion I've ever used. Yeah, I got frankincense and myrrh, and I'm gonna do a combination of those. And I also got some apricot pit kernel oil that I'll put in there. So I'll probably do like I'll do like a 1 cup, let's say, of tallow, and then I'll do the 1/4 cup. Maybe I'll do a little bit more than a 1/4 cup, combining the olive oil and the apricot kernel oil, and then the frankincense and myrrh. But yo, I kid you not, dude, this is the best lotion I've ever used in my whole life, dude, and I made it, which means you can make it. Best shit I've ever used. Dopest dope I've ever smoked. Um, what is going on with my phone? All right, well, let's see. All right. Um, let's see here. Yeah, so you guys, what's funny is like, dude, oh, here we go. We might be able to bail out of this. There we go. Okay, let's see it. Let's see it. A little bit of a panic spike going on here. Getting a little carried away. And are we stalling? In the second, yes, we are stalling. I want to bail. Close. And let's just do 500 for now. Right here. And let's do another. What's up, Barfings? Fucking A, dude. Have I seen you in a long time? I feel like I haven't seen you in a long time, Barfings. Holy shit, dog. Damn. Why do I feel like I haven't seen you in forever? Alcubes, where should I get tallow from? Well, I would say this. If you can get tallow from a farm, get tallow from a farm. If you want to know everything that you can about this tallow. If you can't get it from a farm, then maybe you can get it on Amazon or something like that. Yo, Barfings, go to Discord. Barfings, join the Discord channel. Go to sazanalytica.com, join the Discord channel. It's all set up, it's all organized, it's all great, and you'll be able to get the notifications, announcements, trades, general chat, trader chat, fucking sports chat. Yo, join the Discord channel, Barfing, SazAnalytica.com. Everyone who isn't in there should join there, and it's freaking amazing. Oh, okay. Well, I still miss you in the comments, man. Join the Discord though. Yeah, dude. Honestly, the Discord is so good, man. And I just like the fact that I would love if it was active in there, like how the Telegram used to be with 600 people. Problem is there was just no organization. There'd be arguments and people trying to talk and couldn't figure things out. So now there's freaking traders chat, general chat, algo chat, free signals, fireside. There's a voice chat in there for anyone that just wants to hang out and chat. I did see a guy named Neuro1 in there a few times and I joined, but I think I must have joined when he wasn't around because I think he sat in there for a while, must have gotten up from his computer. So, there's announcements, there's news, like exchanges and deals that I'm working with through the exchanges. Can you pin Discord? What do you mean pin Discord? I know this. You can go to sazanalytica.com and the link there is always going to be, you know what? Let me see if I can post an invite here, invite people, because I don't know, something was up with my invite link and that's why I keep saying Saz Analytica. But I'm posting it in here. Let's see how this pans out. Discord link posted in chat. And let's see here. Do we get a second rundown? So we started the day. Okay. I don't see a message. Post something in the general chat. Oh, maybe it takes a second. I don't know. Okay. Hold on, hold on. I think you might be talking about a different Discord channel because I definitely had one a long time ago. But click on the link that I just sent, Barfings. This is the new one. This one is me and Fabian together. This is one made by Fabian, and me and him are working together now, and we're gonna do some great things together. His algo is fucking really, really good. Um, do I bail out the rest of this position? You know what? I just want to get out of this because I want some peace of mind. It is fun to be in a position, but we should just take the win. I'm at a little bit more money than I started the day, so let's take that. Um, yeah, the old one was built by a really good guy too, but yo, the problem is the old one, I wasn't into it back then, and someone built a really, really good Discord channel, and I was just a lazy fuck, man. That dude really put work into that, and I feel bad. I really should have done more last time when I was doing things, but fuck it. I was lazy and going through divorce and whatever the fuck was going on. I was a dick. And you know what? Fuck excuses. None of that shit fucking matters ever. You gotta be a fucking man and you gotta do things right and never fucking complain. Otherwise, you're a fucking bitchy complainer soccer player. Fuck. Alright, so, alright, glad to see you in the Discord channel. Barfings. And just, you could look around there. You guys, one of the good things about Discord is you can, if you want to just keep the announcements thing open, you can just make it so you turn off for like for general chat, turn off notifications, traders chat. If you don't want to hear all that noise, just turn it off. But then the announcements one, keep that one loud because then when I go live, it'll say there. And we all know YouTube fucking sucks. And also, I'm probably shadow banned on YouTube. I'm probably shadow banned everywhere, and we all fucking, were. I didn't even know about that word until we found out that I was, a long time ago. So everything I touch turns to shadow, and Discord is a great way to keep things alive. So, all right, what do we do about this though, man? I'm actually happy to be out of that position, even though things probably could swing in my favor, for some sort of checking of support down. I'm just happy to be out of that position. I made money today, and then the one that probably had me ready to lose it all and more. Now I've turned that into a slight profit. So that's why we keep our cool, guys. Just gotta fucking put some ice down your pants, dog, and grow a third ball. Yo, Bonds. Good to see you, Bonds 84. Is that Bonda? 'Cause that's kind of a cool nickname, Bonds. If your last name is Bonda. Alright, guys, what do we got here? We're about to watch this 4 o'clock. How long have we? 2 hours. Nice. Classic, classic. And I'm smoking a cigar tonight for sure. I went to go smoke a cigar yesterday and something happened and there was some drama at the bar, so it was closed. Um, nice. Good to see you. Yep, figured it was you, Matt. Good to see you. Bring my keyboard. Oh, yep, getting sore. Oh, good to see you here, brother. Good shit. All right. Yo, that's a lot of trades today, though. This is a pretty good day of trading. Pretty good day. Yo, this is kind of funny to look at. Bonds, gotcha. Yeah, great to see you, Barfy. Barfings, and everyone. I feel like everyone kind of knows each other here. Duncan, trailing stop loss, just got hit, all out in profit. Great start to the day. Fuck yeah, Duncan. Where's foil fuckers, man? But yeah, Duncan, what a day, dude. This has been kind of a funny trading day, man. This is random as hell. Just fucking popping in and out like that. Oh, oh yeah, good shit. Smoke it right now? Smoking, you mean? Like smoking hot? Um, yeah, this was a fun situation though. We don't get these very often. I wasn't really gonna be trading live that much ever, but I mean, the market was just really popping today. Um, I am gonna trade live here and there, definitely. But yeah, this was a good day, man. This is good. I guess I feel like going long. Hurley says. Uh, right now I'm just gonna wait for signals. I had a little bit of fun. I'm gonna let this chill for a minute. I mean, fortunately, I got out of every position and I closed the day green. So I'm not stressed or anything like that. I'm not thirsty for more blood. Um, but I do get the vibe that I should wait a little bit. Let's see here. Oh shit. Oh, that's amazing. Great stuff, man. Absolute killer, bro. That's great, man. All right. Damn, that's wild. You got it, man. All right. 35-4 up at bat, and we are going to drop this to 10, oops, $10 aggregations, 21 pack. No smoke a cigar. No, I'm not gonna smoke. Oh, smoke a cigar right now. No, I don't. You know what? That's a good point. I do need to buy some cigars. I need to buy a box of cigars, but I'm just gonna get one at the cigar shop today. Just gonna get one. All right. Maybe this is gonna lead us to a good long signal. This horizontal is gonna be it right here. I'm gonna take it if we get down there, I think. You know what? I'm just gonna take a little risk because we've been having fun today. I'm gonna take a little bit of risk on this at 35,360. 35,360. So we still got a ways to go. We got a ways to go. I'm not in any rush. All right, we're about 100 bucks away, less. All right. Dude, Sean Strickland just tweeted, we need to have an open conversation about seeing dicks. I'll change in a locker room and people get uncomfortable. Bro, you literally jerk off to dudes all the time in porn, yet me changing throws you off. Bunch of closeted gays. Fucking Sean Strickland. I love that guy, man. He's hilarious. Oh shit. Yo, this is hilarious, dude. Oh, Tristan Tate just posted one of the funniest things. Holy shit. Oh my goodness, this is one of the funniest things I've seen in a long time. Oh man. Oh my goodness, that was great. Oh, some good shit. Internet wins all day. All right. So, are we looking for our long here? We're 20 bucks away. Let's hold off for now. Let's see here. What do we do? 35.36, 35.386. Four pack, one pack, two, three. Couple buyers are getting interested down here. You know what? Nah, I want my average entry to be real clean if I'm gonna get in on this. Sydney Open 4 minutes ago. I think we had the majority of the action already, man. Finally got the full retrace though. Could have made an extra buck on that, but we live to fight another day, gentlemen. All right, all right. Getting a little red here. Which cigars are you getting? I don't know. I don't know yet. I'll show you exactly what I do. Oh, come the fuck on. Oh, what the, oh, you know what it is? I know what it is. It's probably to do with a VPN. So I'll have to do that later from my laptop. Yeah, that seems to have been the horizontal. I think that horizontal is going to be solid. We're going to take this next time it comes around. Bitcoin will probably come back down, give us a little bit more red. Looks like it already happened as I was speaking. And probably test a little bit lower. 35.34. Yeah, is that enough to really complain? Take a little bit of heat. Let's take a little bit of action. Buy long. Alright, let's just do a little bit of action here. And plan to stack, play the long game on this one. We get down to the low 25 300s. That'll be my double down. A. Alright, let's see, what do we got going on? Yeah, this is a good zone. I like this. Oh, wide bid-ask spread. Matt, non desistas, non exteras. Latin, never give up, never surrender. 100%. I like that. Non desistas, non exeris. That's true, guys. Never give up, never surrender. 50 more push-ups? Yo, you guys, if we can get a few comments, it's 50 more push-ups. Few more, let's do 5 comments, 50 push-ups. And everyone has to do them, so we're all kind of on the same boat here. 5 comments, we all do push-ups until we can't. Or 50. 5 and 5. 50, let's go. 50 more, Duncan. That's 2. Who's ready to frickin' push everyone else? You know what? Here's another one. That's 3. 2 more people say something. Because this is the Al Cubes. You know what? You and Motorists need to say something too. I want to see Al Cubes say 50 more. Interesting. Alright. This might be giving our second buy-in opportunity here. A lot of sellers selling the bottom. Very interesting. I don't think this is a great place to sell. I think they're a little bit emotional. This is the buy-in. 250. Oh, what? It's already wicked back. Uh, nah, I'm not gonna buy here. I need it to go lower. Alright, that's cool. Pivot. And 4 is close enough to 5. Alright, 50 more. Can you guys even see? You know what? I can turn one of my monitors white. I go to this. Alright. Man, dude, we got a lot of people that don't want to do 50 push-ups. That's not good. Oh. 50. And I'm getting tired. There we go. I'll take some of this. Uh, oh man, doing them with your hood on. Good to keep your hands above your head if you're gonna sit right down afterwards. I seen you do the push-ups back in the day. Let's get it. I'm starting now. Yeah, good, Matt. Yo, we're gonna get in shape, man. Low end of that. Alright, we'll have to give it a little bit of time. Cooked RSI. Buyers stepping up, sellers finishing off, blowing their load. I want to take more of this, but my record is 97 push-ups in 1 minute, Mexican Hasselhoff. That's fucking good, man. That's good. Um, damn, that's pretty damn good. Fantastic. Alright. You know what? I will probably end up making a better stream setup from out here, but I think I need to organize some of this, move the chart and kind of make it smaller. And so I could fit like in the window, I could fit like video, Discord, and something like that. We'll figure it out. I'll ask Fabian to help me out. Man, alright, we're still grinding this bottom range. Should I keep playing ball? Wide bid-ask spread, nuked RSI, getting there. Hanging out down here a bit. Yeah, this is a stall, so if we hit this line again, I'm gonna put a little more on. Dude, there's so many fucking good fighters that have gone through the UFC. Damn, dude. There's been some good shit. Alright, there's my line. I'll take that. I'll take another little pack. I knew that was gonna happen too. That's the curse, man. Every time you enter a position, you gotta get dunked underwater. Let's give it a little bit more time before I add more on top. Lower lows. What are we diving into here? Over here. Cooked, nuked RSI. Sellers, I think I've mostly blown their load. This is just a little bit of a carryover. 1.76, 30 at the 35, 250. 30 pack holding strong, looking sweet. Let's see, 28, 29. And down to 23. Dynamic, at least 30%. And diminishing slightly more, down to 50% approximate. Back to 20. Very dynamic, very dynamic. 3 pack, nothing much. And little flood, nothing too bad. And the 250 is up at bat with down to 5, 3, 4, 4, 6 pack purchased or sold into that. Someone ate it though because it didn't drop us. Who the fuck ate that? Well, maybe it went down just for a split second. Back up $20. Yeah, it looks like this is a little bit of a fighting area. Alright, let's see here. 45 push-ups so far. Do the next 25 in a few. Perfect, man. Yep, give your arms a minute. That for me is 150 since we started, well, 150 or so in the last hour. Because I don't think we did push-ups until about an hour ago. Alright, so we still chilling. I'm a BTC guy, but it looks like a lot of short alt squeeze to feed more BTC. You know what's funny is the fucking little heart emoji thing that I can click on. It gets in the way of the comments. Like a short alt squeeze. You know, I guess I don't pay enough attention to those little patterns. 2 and 2, 1 and 1. Now is getting close to the point where I think I'll be going a little bit longer, but this is risky. This is more of a risky trade than that short was to me. How far away is my break even? Pretty far. Not perfect. Not perfect. Really fucking up with these things. Yuri Prohaska, man. Who do you guys have for Alex Pereira versus Yuri Prohaska, man? Because I gotta be honest, a lot of people are saying it's what's his face? Pereira got the easy win, but I don't think there's anything easy about that, dude. Nothing. Oh shit. Yeah, it looks real dark over here now. I try to look everything so I'm not blind. Yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you. Let's just do a little drop here. Preparing for a little rebuttal. 35.2, the low for the day, on the chart at least. Just see what kind of selling behavior there is down here. 230, 220. Yeah, it's kind of dried up a bit. We're just gonna let this sit, let it ride. Yo, that would be tight if I had a wireless camera for this, and then I can just go cook and bring the camera with me. Pushing down a little further. Twos and twos. Damn, this is really fucking up my average entry. Yeah, getting in a little early, but I guess I was doing it to try to make a better show. I guess a little drama helps. Damn, off by 100 bucks plus 150 bucks off. All right, so darkness mode. Anyone have any thoughts, any questions, anything they want to bring up? I might, you know what, I could kind of cook dinner and keep things going for a little bit. Did my push-ups, Hurley? Excellent, dude. Excellent. Duncan, how many push-ups did you do, man? Um, all right, I just spaced out for a bit. I think I'm gonna cook. I think I'm gonna cook. And you guys want to know what I'm gonna cook? I'm gonna make some burgers. I'm gonna make some Mexican rice, and I have the Mexican rice made. I'm just gonna crack a couple eggs over the rice, mix it all up, and basically make Mexican fried rice. That shit's the fucking bomb. Some delicious hamburgers with some blue cheese. Nice. Yo, man, and a little bit of hot sauce there for flavor. Extra flavor, I should say, if I'm feeling that. Anyone seen that new movie on Netflix that they keep talking about called Killer or something? I think I want to watch that, dude. The next lotion I make is going to be a lot less scented. Got it, Duncan. Yeah, I'm about to do my dinner here pretty soon. I'm gonna go smoke a cigar at about 7 o'clock. I don't even need to prepare or anything, but it's a long stream. I think for the most part we're done with the serious action. Are we at break even yet? Getting close. Getting close. Getting close. Damn, dude. Off though. This is just sloppy. Fucking sloppy. I'm just trying to play to keep things fun, but that's not an excuse. I'm gonna have to fucking time my shit a little better. Yeah, that's not bueno. Would nice to be get some long signals. Yeah, dude, it would, but I was just trying to chase some random trades and have, just get something to show on screen, but I just need to time myself a little better. Premature, not by much, you know. Can't really beat yourself up over something. That's not really a huge miss, but it is, it is at the end of the day. It's not fucking perfect, and perfection is what we all should strive for. So, and yeah, Duncan, speaking of perfection, someone over there's got some good shit going on. Damn. So, here, getting close to break even. Long streams, guys. Long streams. We're back. All right. Um, and I'm glad to see a few more people join the Discord channel today, and it's pretty good, dude. I think we have some good stuff going on. I think we have some good stuff going on. Building up a much better community this time around. Putting effort into it, Last time I was just fucked. What a dick move. But this time we're gonna build a beautiful community, and we're gonna call the top, and we're gonna go fucking to Japan and bang some respectable Japanese women. Some chili sauce. I need to buy some peppers and make some shit. I like. I gotta be honest, man. I don't feel my conscience isn't that clean, knowing that I use Tapatio hot sauce. Tamales, dude. Tamales are a fucking job, dude. You understand? Tamales are like tamales requires like four Mexican ladies in a kitchen all day. Like that's like a grandma, her daughters, and then if any of the daughters have any daughters that are, old enough, then they're fucking working too. You know what I mean? It's a whole thing. I'm gonna turn off the camera, you guys. It's fucking dark as shit anyways. Um, so tamales is serious business, man. Mexican Hasselhoff, back me up on that. Have you ever seen one woman making tamales? Or is it always like a team of five women doing shit, you know? But I fucking love tamales. Damn, I want tamales now. Fuck. But no tamales for me. I am, however, going to make my burger. My smash burger, I should say. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. This is gonna be real nice. I need to get more butter. You know what? I need to make a grocery list because I always fuck that up. I need more butter. I need more salt. Butter, salt, baking soda. Alright, gonna make some delicious burgers. Alright, so you make the burgers first. Make sure you have your 100% grass-fed, grass-finished beef. I only need 2 pounds, but I'll get a third one right now, ready to go. I always keep a few. Oh, hey, there's a random one right here. Perfect. Take that. Yo, I'll always, like, ground beef is so good, man. So fucking good. I got some more jam that I should probably give away. You know what? I'm gonna give some jam away tonight. That's what I'm gonna do. Fuck yeah. Get rid of some of this shit. Let's see here. Strawberry, raspberry. That one was a good one. Oh yeah, the bloobs were really good. Black and blue. That was one of the best. I made blackberry, blueberry. Dude, that was one of the best ones. Blue. Oh, that's empty. Let's see. Raspberry. Alright, we're gonna give away some lotion tonight, or some, what the fuck. And some blue cheese. Cut all this up real quick. Hit up all my pineapple. Let's get some blue cheese slices ready. Fucking blue cheese. It's so good. And out here I'm in a place where they take their cheese very, very seriously. So you guys, cheese is bomb, but Wisconsin cheese is bomb as fuck. There was this one lady that had the best fucking shit at the farmer's market. She was fire. Why did I
to this space. Something down there. All right. That's how she goes. The way she goes. Gonna come back to look at some comments real quick. All right, 11 people. Prefer cheddar. Nice. I love jams. I made some homemade jams. I got some really good ones. Al Cubes, what's up? Okay. Team of 5, Mexican Hasselhoff. There we go. I think the Russian has it. Don't know how, but look quick clips. I could be wrong. Yeah, Yuri is something like that, Russian or some shit. But yeah, are we talking about Yuri Prohaska? Um, yo, or are you talking about Sergey Spivak? Matt. Yeah, so you guys, I make you, it's like random as fuck, but I'll tell you this. I don't know if a lot of you guys were here. I know some of you certainly were, but at the beginning, like toward the end of last year, I got off some prescription medications that really fucked me up, and I decided after a long time of going through my divorce, and by then I'd been microdosing for about 8 months. I had been really focused on like the pursuit of the mastery of myself and really trying to change things up, and I um just started getting better, and one of the things I did was just start trying shit out, fucking saw a recipe, saw a YouTube short of something, make it, just fucking do it, get it done. So I made a bunch of jam, and funny enough, dude, the jam I made is the best everyone that had the jam is like, yo, this is the best fucking jam. You need to make a shop called Joe's Jam and take over the fucking jam scene. I had some really funny friends, saying stuff like that. And but it's no joke. The jam was delicious. It was absolutely delicious. So I, now I make the lotion. Uh, I make some good shit. Clean up the fruit real good. I get all the shit off of it, all the pesticides. You got to do that, with some really basic water solution. For example, baking soda, 2 tablespoons of baking soda at least, and let it soak for probably 10, 15 minutes. You can let it soak longer, obviously. I think that's better. But yeah, I did everything just so pure, so fresh, and I don't know. I feel pretty healthy. I feel pretty, you know, I, I'm, pretty old, but I don't know. Time's a son of a bitch, man. I certainly feel pretty old, but I know I'm old, but I can still get shit done. I still heal up pretty quick. Um, I could still go for a. I don't know. I'm not at the end of the line. You know what I'm saying? Uh, I know a lot of people who are sick all the time and fucked all the time and this and that all the time, and they fucking eat like shit and drink fluoridated water and they like it and they uh use Roundup, weed killer, they use fucking shit that's banned in fucking war. You know what I mean? So I don't know, man. World's kind of fucked. And I'll tell you guys a trick here. But you know what? Let me do this burger thing real quick. Gotta make sure I get it so there's a lot of butter underneath the burger. That is how things are. Alright, coming back. Alright, let's see here. I want one of Joe's burgers. Yeah, dude, they're fucking bomb. Good for you, brother. Need to step up my game. Still buying. Yeah. So Poton by KO first round. I'm not so sure about that, man. Yuri, like, alright. If Poton wins, it's gonna be by KO. I really do think that. But Yuri is such a well-rounded fighter. I love the way he fights. I think Yuri is he's a Viking samurai. You know what I'm saying? Like he has the honor of a samurai, like the Eastern kind of philosophy. But the way he moves like a berserker, man. The way that I would imagine a berserker moves is how Yuri moves. Want to buy into this a little bit, Mo? It's our little forgiveness move here. Let's just do it. Fuck it. Move that average entry down a little bit. Nuking the RSI. Ooh, heavy wall at the top end of the sell side book. Man, this might be one that I might be stuck in this one for a little while. But I really do like Yuri a lot. I like Poton. I think what he's done is really good. But I think Yuri's just such a well-rounded fighter, man. Him versus Glover Teixeira is one of the best fucking light heavyweight fights I think we've ever seen, man. That was one of the greatest light heavyweight fights ever. Absolutely fucking phenomenal fight, dude. I cannot believe how great that fight was for Yuri to take it in the last fucking 30 seconds. And Glover was winning that too, dude. I like Yuri, man, he needs to come back with a fucking vengeance, dude, because he is not the loser type of guy. Yeah, Yuri is a he's a G, man. Let's see here. What do we got going on tomorrow? Feel like I should go to the farm, get some eggs, eat some pancakes. All right, so every time I flip the burger, like I always put a little bit of salt on there for sure. But after I flip it is when I put the garlic powder on. I like to use some garlic powder on the burgers. And then I put the cheese on top of that. Garlic powder first, cheese second. And then keep it in the butter. All right, good, good. Cover it a little bit, let that cheese melt. All right. Discord. We're lighting up on Discord. What's going on? I don't know what that means. The financial summit is shit without us. That's true, man. We made that thing. That was good times, dude. That was such a good time. That sizzle making me hungry. Nice, dude. Next 25 while listening to done 70 so far. Well done, Matt. Fucking kill it, dog. That's what I'm talking about. Yo, that sizzle's making me hungry. I ate a few apricot pit kernels. That's my appetizer. Gotta stay healthy. Can't let these fucking depopulationists win, dog. Cannot let these depopulation piece of fucking shits win. I need to melt this cheese a little more. And the burger's done. Maybe 2 more minutes. 1 minute. Apricot pit kernels, guys. I get raw organic, no no treatments of any kind. Apricot pit kernels. Snack on a few of those every day. Pretty good for you. All right, so it looks like the market's trying to push down a little bit. We're 40 minutes past that Sydney Open. I think a lot of the time I stream from like 3:45 to like 5 something, so we'll just keep it rolling until at least the food's done and see what these trades look like. Some of these trades were so sloppy though, fucking balls. You know what? I'm gonna see if this exchange does trading competitions, and then we'll do it live too. Some of it will be live. I'm gonna ask right now. But I know a lot of you guys are looking for exchanges. Um, I know you guys are looking for good exchanges. I do recommend this one. I am working here to try to I'm testing a lot of this stuff. I already did it all, and you can see everything works pretty well. KYC is easy, easy to work with, and I'm gonna keep bonuses coming out all the time. I'm gonna fucking keep at least like one or two bonuses coming out per month. They're really, really flexible on that. So yeah, you guys, if you want to wait for the next bonus, I'll get one out pretty soon. I just sent them a message too, but we'll do a trading competition and I'll keep the minimums low and we'll just do a P&L thing and that'll be pretty fun, I think, for all of us. All right, I think that cheese is melted. Oh, damn, that cheese is melted. All right, that is some melted ass blue cheese right there. All right. The good thing about cast iron is you can basically clean it while you're cooking. Took the burger off, scrape the pan a little bit. You guys, cast iron is definitely a man's way of getting things done. Don't have to fucking clean 30 things like a woman. Women are so fucked when they cook. Use like every dish in the fucking kitchen. And they've been waiting to use it too. They're like, oh yeah, this is a great time for me to use this fucker. Alright. Fucking gotta get the egg in before the rice keeps popping. Fuck. Whenever you put the rice in like fatty stuff, it'll start to pop a little bit. Motherfucker, stop. Fucking piece of shit. Burnt my lip. Fucking rice popped right into my lip. Fucking blasted my face. Shit was molten lava. Alright. It's the only downside about Mexican fried rice. That fucking popping rice. Probably because I have the pan too hot, but not something I'm gonna change anytime soon. Hot pan cooker. Alright. Almost done with this. Alright, that's all she wrote. Food is ready. Pour it on plate. Actually, cutting board. It's a little bit of a weird mix to have a blue cheese burger and then Mexican fried rice, but
The way she goes. The way she goes sometimes. Man, I love Mexican rice. That cool off for a minute. Oh, nice. Cracked the break-even seal. A green dildo, huh? Green pickle. What exchange are you using? Matt asks. I must have missed it. In the Discord channel, I'll be posting all of that stuff on the referrals. Under useful links, look at the referrals tab. It's called Deepcoin. My link is there, and you're going to be getting right now like a match. Deposit 500 and receive 500. It'll be the 500 is put toward 50% off your trades indefinitely. So there's some good shit going on. Good shit going on. And I'll keep the bonuses rolling out. So just keep looking in there, and I'll keep updating it. There's one that just ended, I think. So like I said, I just messaged them a little bit ago, and I'll see if I can get another bonus right away and a trading competition. Oh wow, big green dildo. Mm, yeah, let's close this. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a sec. Wait 1 minute here. Alright, now it's getting tight. Yeah, I think this is a small enough trade that I'm just gonna bail out in full. Just want to take a quick look over here again. What happened? Stalled out buyers. Alright, yeah, that's all I needed to see now. Fuck. Whatever. Take some money off the table. Um, yeah, check in soon, dude. And yeah, well, I'll keep all that shit coming, you know. Like that was one thing I did back in the day was I did make I didn't. Oh wow, fucking A. That's the difference between 20 bucks right there. But perfection is off. So, all right, guys. I think it might be time for me to kick back or relax and enjoy some food, and then smoke a cigar a bit later. Just chill out of position for a while. Nothing to see here. So, all right, guys. Much love to you all. Do your push-ups and sit-ups. Turn your shower water cold every single day when well, I don't even recommend taking a shower every day, by the way, but every time you take a shower, turn it cold at some point. Damn, this is just ugly. Look how sloppy that was. Fucking the one red candle in between green ones. All right, so turn your shower water cold. Um, what else? Be good human beings. Pursue the mastery of yourself at all times. Become wiser and stronger every day. And I'll be catching you guys on the next stream. Take care, everyone.